Hey, you're at HH.
Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, Clarion, Indiana, Jefferson, Washington, and Westmoreland.
Flooding may occur as issued a severe thunder. In southwestern Pennsylvania, north central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, County in west central Pennsylvania, Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, western Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, western Jefferson, Pennsylvania County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:37 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 15 miles northeast of Shannon North Puget over Central Bishop, or along the line from 13 miles west of Reimersburg to 6 miles north of Canonsburg, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.